I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Foundation for November 2021. So, question 14 reads as follows. 3 kg of carrots cost £1.80. 2 kg of carrots and 5 kg of potatoes cost £3.45. Work out the cost of 4 kg of carrots and 2 kg of potatoes. So, I could make simultaneous equations and solve it, but there's no need. As for the first one, there's only one variable. So 3 kg of carrots is £1.80, so 1 kg of carrots is 60p. 2 kg of carrots is £1.20 because we need to find what 5 kg of potatoes are. So that's 5 kg of potatoes is £2.25 because that's £3.45 minus £1.20. So 1 kg of potatoes is 45p. And now I find 2 kg of potatoes to get 90p. And because I need 4 kg of carrots, I get £2.40, and then I add both of them together, which gives me £3.30. Like and subscribe for more GCSE